My bag is heavier than me. That's because half your toys are probably in there. No stopping now, we're almost there.
If we make this flight, I'm never making fun of runners again. You have to be kidding me.
Temporary service interruption, of course. Then we walk. All the way there? After all that, we're actually flying. Does this mean the hard part is over?
I hope so, but with this family, I never make promises.
Whatever comes next, at least we earned this takeoff. No, this cannot be happening. Ryan said we had to leave early. We overslept. We actually overslept. Everybody wake up right now. We are already late.
How are we late before the trip even started?
I can't find my other shoe. Do we still have time for breakfast?
Only if breakfast can fit in the car and buckle its seatbelt.
I can't find my other shoe. Why do my socks never match when we're in a hurry? Because chaos follows you everywhere. Do these even belong together? At this point, if they both fit your feet, we're calling it fashion.
Teamwork.
Why is this suitcase heavier than last year's Christmas tree? Because you packed 3 jackets for a 2-day trip. What if the weather changes? At this rate, the only weather we'll see is airport disappointment. I didn't mean to, it just slipped. Please tell me those were only copies. Mom, those were definitely the important ones. Wonderful, we are now traveling with citrus-flavored panic.
Wait, where are the keys?
You had them last night, right?
Please don't say that sentence unless you're holding them.
I was holding them. I was absolutely holding them. Why are the keys next to the ice cream?
I must have put them there while grabbing the lunchbox. That is the most dad thing I have heard all week.
Can we leave before the house hides something else? Hurry, get in the car!
Everyone in, quick!
No, the battery cannot be dead today.
Apparently the whole universe wants us to stay home. This trip is cursed and we hasn't even hit the road. Every driver nearby just canceled because of the rain.
Then this car is our only chance.
Please tell me you charged that jump battery.
I'm suddenly very uncomfortable with that question. Yes! Come on, don't die on me now! We're back in business!
The trip is saved!
Please don't celebrate yet. We still have an airport between us and success.
All right, let's get going. This road was clear yesterday.
Of course it was. Today is the day every possible problem decided to arrive early.
Can't we take another route?
We can, but now the detour is our only hope.
Dad, that sign says Terminal B. Aren't we supposed to be at Terminal C?
You have got to be kidding me.
He's right. We are literally being guided away from our flight.
Even the map is against us.
Grab everything. We run from here.
I knew airport cardio would happen one day, just not like this.
Do I have to run too? Yes, and today you run like you're in an action movie. My bag is heavier than me. That's because half your toys are probably in there. No stopping now, we're almost there.
If we make this flight, I'm never making fun of runners again.
If you're on the morning flight, you need to check your bags very soon.
Please tell me we still have a chance.
A small one, but only if nothing else goes wrong. That sentence feels dangerous. I'm sorry, sir. That bag is well over the allowed weight.
That scale is clearly judging me personally.
I told you 3 jackets was not a travel plan. You can repack here if you do it quickly.
Why is one suitcase carrying an entire closet?
Because apparently I packed like we were moving countries.
Put this in your backpack. At this point, I'm wearing the luggage emotionally. Biscuit is missing. I had him a second ago. Okay, breathe. We'll find him.
He probably fell near the line.
I can't fly without him. Hey, wait, that bunny is ours.
Whoa, good catch. I didn't even see it there.
You just saved my sister's entire day.
Then tell her the airport almost adopted it.
Please nobody panic, but the passport pouch is gone. That opening sentence never helps.
You had it at the counter, right?
I thought I did. I really thought I did.
Check every bag again, even the small ones.
I'm checking mine for the 3rd time.
I put something important in my art folder earlier.
Tia, what exactly do you mean by important?
I put it here so it wouldn't get lost.
That is exactly where it got lost.
I love you, but please never protect our passports again. This trip is surviving entirely by accident.
Laptops out, liquid separated, pockets empty, please.
We finally made it here. Nothing strange now. You really said that out loud? You keep challenging fate, and fate keeps answering.
Proceed through the detector. Step back for me, son. Did you leave anything metal in your pockets?
Only my game console charger, and maybe the handheld console.
How many times do we say empty your pockets before it becomes a family tradition?
But that's my favorite travel toy.
I know, but it counts as liquid and I can't let it through.
We'll get another one on the trip.
It's not the same one, though. I know today feels unfair, but we're still together.
Everything keeps disappearing. Not everything. We're keeping what matters.
And when we land, I'll help you find an even better one. You have to be kidding me!
Temporary service interruption, of course. Then we walk.
All the way there? Keep moving. Don't look at the distance. The distance is literally all I can see. If we keep this pace, we still have a chance.
This airport is bigger than our whole neighborhood.
No, it changed again.
That gate is somehow even farther away.
At this point, the airport is playing with us.
Can gates have feelings?
Take the service side family lane past the coffee shop. It's quicker than the main flow.
You may be the only reason we're still in this race.
If we make it, I'm sending this airline a thank you letter about you. Make the flight first, then write the masterpiece.
Please tell me we made it in time.
We made it, but now the weather has other plans.
Of course it does.
This trip really doesn't want to happen.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to the storm, we have a weather delay.
At least we didn't miss boarding.
True, but now the sky is negotiating with us.
That pilot looks calm. That has to be a
Can
gift.
calm pilot stop storms? Kian, that's our red suitcase.
Why is it going in the opposite direction?
Because today still isn't finished with us. I'm coming with you.
You again? Okay, let's move fast.
That red suitcase with the yellow tag is ours. It has our medicine pouch inside.
Then we are definitely not letting it fly without you.
You have no idea how important this bag is. After this morning, I'm starting to understand your family's luck.
We don't have luck. We have survival instincts.
Then survive your way back to the gate.
You got it back? Thank goodness.
Yes, but look at the screens.
That can't be good.
Why does every good moment in this airport last 3 seconds?
I don't think I've sat down since dawn.
I feel like this whole day has been one giant staircase. If we miss this flight after all this, I maybe become a cloud of frustration. Can vacation start after the scary part next time? Ladies and gentlemen, the storm is passing, but we are also checking a maintenance alert before boarding.
At least she's being honest. I trust calm people in uniforms more than I trust today.
She sounds like someone who...
Do planes get nervous too? Probably not, but I definitely do.
If they're checking it carefully, that means they want us safe.
A delay is better than a rushed mistake, even if today forgot how to be normal.
Everyone, please move away from the charging station and remain calm.
Not another problem. Why does that backpack look familiar?
Oh no! I think that's mine! Young man, is this your bag?
In my defense, today has been aggressively distracting.
We almost got evacuated by our own child's backpack.
At this point, we are not a family. We are a traveling emergency.
Nothing dangerous, but keep your belongings with you at all times.
I promise this backpack and I are emotionally inseparable now. The bag caused drama too.
Apparently it runs in the family. Good man.
Please be real. Please stay real. I think we actually survived the airport.
Let's not say victory speeches before the jet bridge.
I'll celebrate after the plane door closes. Where is Tia?
She was just here.
Please tell me we are not doing this right now. Find her, right now. Her papers fell and nobody stopped. Sweetheart, you scared us half to death.
Helping was kind, but you have to tell us before you go anywhere.
You really picked the most dramatic possible time. From this moment on, nobody disappears, nothing gets left behind, and no one challenges fate out loud. That might be the smartest rule we've made all day. I'm staying glued to you.
Same. Me and this bag are...
You made it. I honestly wasn't sure this airport would let you go.
Neither were we.
Thank you for helping us survive this day. Now go claim the peaceful part of your trip.
Are we really on the plane now? If this is a dream, don't wait. After all that, we're actually flying. Does this mean the hard part is over?
I hope so, but with this family, I never make promises.
Whatever comes next, at least we earned this takeoff.